everyone, you are welcome to Favorite Skincare and Healthcare. It's your girl Favorite. If you know you are new to my channel, this is Favorite Skincare where we talk about cream products, where we talk about remedy you can use to take away stretch marks, you can use to take away green veins, that you can use to take away cellulite, that you can use to take away white patches, that you can use to take away some skin reaction you find on your skin. So if you know you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. And whenever I post new video, YouTube is going to show you that Favorite Skincare and Healthcare has placed new video. Thank you so very much. I want to also appreciate my old subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you for for sharing my channel. Thank you for the comment and everything. I appreciate. Thank you so very much. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how to treat damaged skin, especially damage skin that is caused by bleaching and the rest. So let me emphasize more what really causes this bleaching damaged skin. Let me just put it that way. So what causes the bleaching damaged skin? Maybe for example you rub a cream and it's really, or you see someone that his skin is really damaged because of cream reaction and the rest. One of the causes of those damaged skin, one of them is our cream products. Most of our cream product contains hydroquinone and steroids and mercury. Hydroquinone is mostly used, mostly recommended by doctors when you are having some skin issues. So, and it's not advisable that you use hydroquinone after 3 months. So, when you are treating some skin reaction and the rest, it's advisable that you use it just 3 months, and after 3 months, you stop using hydroquinone, because hydroquinone is meant for treating acne, for treating hypopigmentation and the rest. So it's not meant for you to continue using it after 3 months when you know that you have already seen the result of what you are treating there. And hydroquinone also gives green veins, also give cellulite, also give stretch mark. Too much of using of hydroquinone in a cream also give that. And you can, most of our producers that produce creams are has become very wise and very clever, that you cannot even detect whether a cream contains hydroquinone, because mostly they hide most of the hydroquinone. They're not going to write it in the cream as hydroquinone. So they hide it. In my own research, they hide it as perfume, or just mostly they hide it as perfume. So when you look at a cream that has perfume, most of them are not really perfume. Most of them contains hydroquinone. So that is hydroquinone. Then the other dangerous one, because steroids is more dangerous than hydroquinone. So steroids is all those ones that will end up burning you, burning your skin, giving you spider vein, giving you all sort of damage, giving you discoloration. Maybe you see someone that have a coke and fanta skin. So it's mostly caused by this chemical called steroids. Then the most dangerous is this called mercury. Mercury is a very dangerous chemical. It's more even dangerous than steroids and hydroquinone. So mercury is the one that is going to burn your face totally, because hydroquinone also burn. But mercury is the one that destroy a lot of people, because mercury is most, let me not just say it's fine in our sheep cream. Some sheep cream is also good there. So but mercury and steroids, they are mostly fine on cheap cream that will just damage your skin. You see someone's skin get burnt like as if the person, they roast the person in fire and the rest there. So that is our mercury, steroids and hydroquinone. So the most dangerous one I talked about is mercury. So in case you have already, or you have someone that have already gotten burnt skin, maybe by bleaching, and the person is bleaching in a wrong way and get skin burnt, so there's no need to panic, and there's no need to get worried all those sorts. I have a solution for you, which is shea butter, which is called African shea butter. It's going to flash on your screen there. The African shea butter is made for treatment of all skin reaction, skin damage. It helps to repair skin damage. It helps to repair the cell, the damaged cell. It helps to repair it, and it also helps to moisturize. It helps to prevent aging. So maybe you are getting aging and you just want to look younger, you can apply it to your skin. If it's your face that is getting aging, you can apply it to it. It moisturize the skin, remove dead cell and the rest. So African shea butter is very powerful. In here we call it oregi and the rest. So it's going to flash on your skin like what I said. So it's very powerful. Then the other ingredients I'm going to talk about is coconut oil. Coconut oil is very powerful. Coconut oil is also used to heal injuries. Maybe you are having injuries and you want that place to be very smooth. You can apply coconut oil on it, like the way we apply bois oil on injury to melt it so that it will not swell up and the rest. So you can also apply coconut oil on it too. So that is, I've emphasized on the importance of these two ingredients I'm talking about. So these two ingredients mixed together, applied on your skin, why it's going to like heal it. But I'm not saying that it's going to heal it within 7 days or 1 week and the rest. It takes gradual process. You see that burnt skin will be healing. Yeah, that burnt skin will be healing. You see your skin coming up again like a little baby. But like what I said, it's not going to be a 7 days journey. It's not going to be a 1 week journey. Let me assure you, as from 3 weeks going to a month and 2 months, you start seeing your skin healing gradually and the rest. So with these two ingredients, shea butter, the African shea butter, and the coconut oil, you can use it to treat bleaching skin because they are natural, they don't contain chemical. So how do you do it? You have to first of all stop whatever bleaching cream you are using, or whatever cream or lotion, let me just say lotion or soap that you are using that contains bleaching element like hydroquinone, like steroids, like mercury. So you're going to like stop it. When you stop using it, that is when you start using it. After you bathe, maybe you just have to change your soap. You go to the normal, you can use a baby soap, all those of like the Johnson, a baby soap Johnson. I'm going to flash it on your screen there. So you can use Johnson baby soap or any soap that is so mild that does not contain chemical. That is what you start using. Then after bathing, then you use the coconut oil. You can mix it together with the African shea butter to apply it to that affected area that the bleach is damaged. If it's your shoulder, you apply it to it. If it's your chest, you apply it to it. Wherever that damage has been, because you apply to it morning, night, you can even add afternoon. If you are at home in the afternoon, keep on applying to it. So when you apply it to it, you see it gradually, that burnt skin will start healing. Maybe the burnt skin will start peeling out if you are having sensitive skin. Pardon me there. So if you're having sensitive skin, you see that that burnt skin will start peeling out, a new skin will start coming up and the rest, like as if you are a baby growing new skin. So that is what I have to tell you. So you can save someone out there that has burnt skin due to bleaching and the rest. You can save someone out there by recommending it, by sharing our shiner and the rest. So if you know you have been following us, you have not subscribed, you have not liked our this, you have not shared, you have not comment, please don't forget to subscribe, especially to our new subscriber. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next channel. Bye.